Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Desi Jugad. First, understand that Desi Jugad is all about finding clever, often unconventional solutions to everyday problems using whatever materials you have on hand. It's a testament to ingenuity and resourcefulness, transforming ordinary items into functional tools or fixes. This approach prioritizes practicality and cost-effectiveness, making it accessible to everyone. To begin your Desi Jugad project, start by clearly identifying the specific problem you want to address. Once you have a clear goal, survey your surroundings for potential materials. Think creatively about how everyday objects, like an empty plastic bottle or a piece of discarded cardboard, could be repurposed. The key is to match the available resources with the functional needs of your solution. Next, it's time to brainstorm some simple design ideas. Don't overthink it. A quick sketch on paper can help visualize your concept. The beauty of Desi Jugad lies in its straightforward approach, so aim for designs that are easy to assemble with minimal tools. Remember, the primary goal is to create a functional fix, even if it looks a bit unconventional. Practicality always comes first. Now, it's time to bring your Desi Jugad to life. Carefully assemble your chosen materials, using simple methods like tying, taping, or gluing. Once constructed, thoroughly test your creation to ensure it effectively addresses the original problem. Don't hesitate to make small adjustments or improvements. This iterative process is a core part of Desi Jugad, leading to a truly effective and personalized solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.